Deloitte has officially started its hiring for the role of graduate engineer. Before getting into the complete details, if you don't want to miss any latest job updates, internships, and off campus opportunities, make sure that you subscribe it to Navi 360 Diaries. Getting into the details, Deloitte is hiring for B.Tech 2026 graduates for the following roles: data analytics, AML, AI engineering, Java development, Playwright test automation. The selection process is all applicants will undergo role specific assessment. Based on that, candidates will be shortlisted for the further rounds. Here, one more important thing is, as they mentioned, all applicants will undergo a role specific assessment. That means everyone who applies is expected to get an assessment based on the role they are being considered for. So don't miss this opportunity. Apply as early as possible and start preparing. Location is Bangalore and eligibility is B.Tech 2026 pass outs. Getting into the more details, skills required. Depending upon the role that you are looking for, make sure that your skills section in your resume must align with that role and the job description. Coming to the salary, Deloitte has not officially disclosed, but based upon similar graduate engineer hiring, freshers can expect salary from 7 to 9 LPA depending upon the role. Resume tips: keep your resume one page and ATS friendly and well aligned with the skills that mentioned in the JD. How to apply? The application link is available in the description. Check it out and apply as soon as possible because hiring is already active and applications are being reviewed. That's it about the Deloitte hiring. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe to Navi 360 Diaries. See you in the next video.